Foreground. Definition: to give the most importance to a particular subject. Example: she has foregrounded the importance of education in her speech. Foresee. Definition: to know about something before it happens. Example: the engineer could foresee potential risks in the construction project. Foreshadow. Definition: to act as a warning or sign of a future event. Example: the dark cloud seems to foreshadow an approaching storm. Foreshorten. Definition: to reduce something or make it shorter. Example: the artist will foreshorten the arm to give the illusion of depth. Forestall. Definition: to prevent something from happening by acting first. Example: the teacher has raised her hands to forestall further arguments. Foretell. Definition: to say what is going to happen in the future. Example: her dream seems to foretell the arrival of unexpected guests. Forwarn. Definition: to tell someone that something unpleasant is going to happen. Example: he was forewarned about the dangers of falling rocks. Forget. Definition: to be unable to remember a fact, something that happened, or how to do something. Example: don't forget to bring your passports to the airport. Forgive. Definition: to stop blaming or being angry with someone for something that person has done. Example, she found it hard to forgive his betrayal. Forgo. Definition: do not have or do something enjoyable. Example, they had to forgo their vacation plans due to lack of funds. Formalize. Definition: to make something official or decides to arrange it according to a fixed structure. Example, the two companies have formalized their agreements in writing. Formulate. Definition: to develop all the details of a plan for doing something. Example, she may have formulated her response carefully before speaking. Forsake. Definition: to leave someone forever, especially when they need you. Example, many villagers chose to forsake their homes during the drought. Forswear. Definition: to make a serious decision to stop doing something. Example, he decides to forswear alcohol for the rest of his life. Fossilize. Definition: to become or to make something become a fossil. Example, ancient bones can fossilize over millions of years. Fraternize. Definition: to meet someone socially. Example, he enjoys fraternizing with his colleagues after work. Freeze. Definition: causing it to become cold and often hard. Example, the water will freeze overnight in these temperatures. Freshen. Definitions: to make something cleaner or cooler. Example, opening the window help freshen the room. Fringe. Definition: To form a border around the edge of something. Example, colorful flowers fringe the pathway. Frolic. Definition: to play and behave in a happy way. Example, the children frolic in the meadow. Fry. Definition: to cook food in hot oil or fat. Example, she will fry some eggs for breakfast. Fulfil. Definition: to do something that is expected, hoped for, or promised. Example, he will work hard to fulfill his childhood dream. Fumigate. Definition: to remove harmful insects, bacteria, or disease using chemical, gas, or smoke. Example, the warehouse has been fumigate before storing the grain. Furbish. Definition: to make something, especially a room or building, look clean, new, and in good condition. Example, he planned to furbish the old tables before selling them. Furnish. Definition: to put furniture in something. Example, the new apartment has been furnished with modern furniture by them. In next tutorial, I will bring you English word with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.